Yeah, man, I go continue with part 3 now. Because I some job coach it, because the part 2 about 20 minutes. And the last part right now. So I go start to show you some job coach it. Yes. I say I have to be careful in what I'm doing now. I have to be careful because the wall is black off, you know. There's a center in about you can't see nowhere. You can't see the field and nothing at all. A center is the same, you know. You know, see it? So I feel my life because my voice is outside and I know nobody can come kill me now. You know, see, but I just talk and make you know, say, can I go back in front of the camera and I go wind down now. I go on 3-part thing. Because sometimes yeah man, I go on 3-part thing. So I go and finish the last part right now. As I may say, you know, see it? Yeah man. Because since Gager, because them say they not play no sports. You know, see it? Because you have a lot of land around Falmouth, you know. You have a lot of land around Chilan, you know. With the dropping center going to build, you know. And I said, you know, I'm anywhere. But what me I say, if Mr. Gage go build in full farm, because right now, you know, Falmouth chickens put up all them big sign for center, you know. So I know if Mr. Gage and Falmouth chickens, you know, have them big plans. Because Brenton Mr. Gage, because this is a land of Mr. Gage, you know. I mean, also this is a thing I go reach him, you know. Because the man a different film place, you know. Government badness, Gage, you know. Because all of my government badness, you know. Now, hold on for my tripod, because I want to do, because breeze a blow right, you know. Government badness, Mr. Gage, because Andrew owns a government badness, so all you know, in a seat. In a seat. In a seat. Because L Gates are the real badness, you know. Because all the go on, not go on. In a seat. When L Gates ready to move again, all the world leaders, is there no cop. I don't want to talk about L Gates too much. Because I know YouTube go kind of go through my thing and know the L Gates is time for the man. Because the man can't control the thing there. So that's what I want to talk about L Gates here, brother. Because I want my content black. I don't want to get in my communal strike again. Because I have a lot of things to deal with. But I want us to get this out of my way. I mean, a different Falmouth cowboys them. A good youth them. Because when the cowboy ain't going to link me, you know, the same day, you know. And the cowboy tell me, say, boy, he have plans. The part when we brought down, when we can enter from Poor House, the cowboy when saying, he ain't go those fence off there, so. And the big gate was down there, so. The cowboy ain't go those fence off it, too. You have to secure when you them. Can't blame you, them, brother. We not play sports. Eh? That's my point of view, you know. Because you conquer a supporter, you village supporter, what part of Falmouth United, who when Pekebro and any man used to enjoy Pekebro running. You Falmouth people and Chilani people, who the America, a part of something you call it. You know, see it? A part of no friends for Falmouth. Both in our friends for Falmouth. Friends for Falmouth in what and way. Falmouth Youth Center where every sporting activity take place through the years. All the sports them. Football, track and field, me know take place so. Football, track and field. You know, see cricket, basketball, netball, table tennis, and Kimani Mali when I introduce boxing. Kimani Mali when I introduce boxing, you know, because Kimani Mali when I want to start a boxer. Kimani Mali did have been planning, you know. Right now, 2 table tennis board park up and center. Because Kimani Mali fix up the center and so forth. But Kimani Mali not the money again. And such man and Falmouth United. We don't even take on ass off of Gage land, you hear me? Take on ass off of Gage land. Because Gage land have farming. Gage got building full farm. And if Georgia building full farm what Cowboys, if we raise them up on the center. And Falmouth Cowboys, who don't know face me against you know. Falmouth Cowboys is a reason why I'm telling you. Why me did come out? Because the man because Jamaica dictator. Because the pure badness one who born Jamaica right now. You can't talk too hard. Because you might have cut down crime, you know. But contract killers in a city are striving in Jamaica right now. And thieves. Because everybody want drive a big car, live in a big house in a city. And living in them castle. Because government badness, poor God, the God of Jamaica. You see, government badness, poor God. When father who love Michael Manley in a seat, call him Andrew Michael Onlys. Because he father the goodness of Michael Manley. And government badness